All right, what's going on with y'all? We out here at the 2013 Lexus ES350, and we're going to actually try some new oil in this vehicle. I've been seeing a lot of people talking about the VALVOLINE, Restore, and Protect. So we actually going to put that in the 2013 Lexus ES350. But what I want to do is I want to let you actually hear it from a cold start, let you hear how it sound. There's no knocking, no kind of strange noises, no nothing like that. So what I want to do is let's go ahead and get it started. Let you listen to it. Then we'll go into the table and I'm gonna tell you the process of how I'm going to actually use this VALVOLINE Restore and Protect. Just want to let you listen to it. Vehicle got 94,000 plus miles on it. Run good, no leaks. Alright, so I gave you a chance to listen to the 2013 Lexus ES350 with approximately about 94,000 plus miles on it. No knocking, no kind of strange noises, run good, no leaks, not burning no oil. Whoever, the two people who had it before me, they did an excellent job taking care of that vehicle. So more than likely, that vehicle probably had nothing but synthetic in it. So there's really not a whole lot of sludge or deposits that should be built up. But we want to go ahead and run the VALVOLINE Restore and Protect. Now let's look at the back of the bottle and see what VALVOLINE says this product does and should do. Premium full synthetic restore and protect. Renew, restore, repeat. The first to actively restore engines and protect against future damage. Removes up to 100% of deposits with continuous use. What I'm seeing is continuous use is about 4 oil changes. Now on the bigger bottle, you get a little bit more better diagram of what it does. Cleans, restore, and repeat. As far as the oil filter we're going to use, we're going to be using the Perlator Boss. Now, if you have a Lexus ES350, the Perlator Boss that will work for your vehicle is P as in Papa, B as in Bravo, L as in Lima, 25608. I repeat, Papa, Bravo, Lima, 25608. This is what you'll use for, if I'm correct, the 2007 to 2023 Lexus ES350. So this is the oil filter you want to use, Perlator Bars. From what I'm seeing, the best oil filter that you can put on your vehicle. And that's it. So what is my process on how I'm going to do this? Now, I don't do my oil changes myself. So I'm going to be going to VALVOLINE. They only charge $40. You bring your own oil and filter. The first initial oil change, I'm only going to let this stay in there for no more than 500 miles. Realistically, I'm thinking about 350 to 400 miles. I want to go ahead and get this changed out, get a new filter, and a fresh 6.5 quarts. The second time that I put this in here, we'll let it stay in there a little bit longer. Let's say about maybe 700 to 800 miles. Third time, we'll do a little bit longer, 1,000 to 1,500 miles, somewhere in between there. The fourth and potentially the final time, we'll go ahead and let it run for 3,000 miles. To go ahead and get all the additional cleaning, get everything knocked off. So what I want to do is I want to put it in there to start it off with, knock some of the sludge, carbon, whatever it may be, get the first initial bundle knocked off, get some more fresh oil in there, knock some more off, get some more fresh oil in there, knock a good chunk off, somewhere between 1,000 to 1,500 miles, get some fresh oil in there, then we'll go ahead and do it for 3,000 miles. So that's how I'm going to do it right there. First initial oil change, 350 to 500 miles. Second, 700 to 1,000. Third, somewhere between 1,000 to 1,500. The fourth and final, we'll do a full 3,000. Then after that, we can go ahead and get us a good top of the line synthetic oil, and then we start using that. This is just to kind of knock out any deposits, restore, and protect what we got in the 2013 Lexus ES350. So that's going to be my process right there. Make sure y'all stay tuned, and I'll let y'all know how everything turns out, because we want to go ahead and get that first oil change tomorrow.